21-volt cordless pole pruning shears offer a versatile two-in-one design, combining electric pruning shears with an extendable pole for both low-level and high-reach trimming tasks. With an adjustable aluminum pole that can extend from 4 feet to 9 feet, these shears allow a person 6 feet tall to reach branches up to 15 feet high, making tree trimming more efficient and less strenuous. Equipped with a powerful 900-watt brushless motor, the shears provide high torque and longer service life, while the SK7 high-carbon steel blades are sharp and resistant to rust. The integrated LCD display provides real-time updates on battery life and the number of cuts made, supported by a robust 4,000 milliampere-hour battery that can last up to 8 hours. Ideal for various settings such as gardens, parks, and orchards, this tool enhances work efficiency significantly, addressing diverse pruning needs with ease. Safety is a priority with an intuitive trigger mechanism that prevents accidental blade operation, ensuring user protection during use.